สบายดีทุกคนค่อยมีชื่อว่าคำจางมื้อนี้ค่อยจะเว้าเกี่ยวกับภาษาอังกฤษในอิตาลีแล้ววิธีเว้าเทคนิคของค่อยมันจะเว้าใส่กับแว่นตัวนี้นะจะช่วยให้ค่อยจื้อกับภาษาอังกฤษได้หลายและวิธีเว้าภาษาอังกฤษได้เท่าใดตัวนี้เขาจะโชว์เบิ่งในแว่นตัวนี้เนาะเบิ่งในแว่นเลยเห็นเฮาเองแล้วก็วิธีสะท้อนแสงเข้ามาเลยมันจะเห็นให้เราปรับปรุงวิธีแก้ไขแนวใดให้กับเสียงของเราแล้วเป็นเทคนิค เป็นเทคนิคหนึ่งที่ช่วยให้เราสามารถเว้าภาษาอังกฤษได้ดีและเว้าเสียงที่มันผิดแล้วมันถูกเว้าให้สามารถสะท้อนให้เราแก้ไขได้เนาะโอเค start เว้าภาษาอังกฤษได้เลยอ่า Hello everyone my name is Mr. Kamjan today I would like to tell you about for Italy's place is very interesting the country the Italy is big city. There are population 65 million people live in Italy. There is quite famous place. There are many places to visit there. Around 50 heritage world by UNESCO. That's the reason I would like to talk about this place because it's many places beautiful and many modern building there. That's today I want to let you know some place first and later I will to make for you know another place. The firstly is I will tell you today is Rome. Rome is the capital of the Italy. The population live there is 4.5 million people live in Rome, in the city, the capital. The capital is quite big and very busy, but it's very good that place because you have many see many interesting there, such as like a tower function. Function is the look like the spring water and like the waterfall, but it's they make like people make in the located in the center of the city. When at night they open the spotlight or string light is very beautiful. That's one. And then second thing is you can see around the town. You can see the restaurant or something to light on the way. So very beautiful and building so high as modern building there. That's very good. I just internet they just tell me like that and I have to tell you and everyone know about that. That Italy is a good place. And third thing is we can see Colosseum. Colosseum is what it mean. What it mean is like Colosseum is like a building is a high. Like is they make was built on 2009. The was being by king is lived there before and then now they make continue to rebuild something new but it's very good and very modern building there who want to visit sunset and sunrise they climb up the top on the building there so very high around 50 meters high you can see many interesting and many view around the city. You can see sunset and sunrise. Take a picture around the city, something, or it's amazing. That's a city. This reason I would like to tell you, everyone know about Italy is a good place to recommendation for you know for something in Italy is very good and very wonderful. Yes. Thank you very much for everyone to watch this video. Something to improve English skill or how to technique how to speak English. But I'm not good. But I would like to recommendation everyone to enjoy together and how to speak English and how to get better English better in your future. And this one technique I have to show you. Thank you very much. Maybe later I will more one video to people understand and want to speak English like me. Thank you very much.